The South African Weather Service has issued a warning for heavy rain expected over the mother city as well as those areas shaded in red. So 50 millimeters of precipitation or more is forecast within a 24-hour forecast period. We also have a warning for high seas expected between Honda Cliff Bay and Port Alfred, where the total sea heights will vary between 6 and 9 meters. Another warning is for gale force winds expected between Cape Point and Cape Agulhas, where the average wind speed will vary between 65 and 74 kilometers per hour. We have a watch for snowfalls expected over the southern regions of the Northern Cape as well as the mountainous regions of the Western Cape, and those may cause disruptions. Our last weather alert is a watch for high-fire danger expected over much of the Free State as well as the northern interior of the Eastern Cape. Now we're expecting heavy rain over Cape Town for today, and you can see snowfalls near Sutherland. Otherwise, it's going to be windy over the central interior, and we're expecting a beautiful afternoon over KwaZulu-Natal as well as for much of Gauteng. Now here's a rainfall map for today indicating up to an 80% chance of rain wherever you see that shading of purple, and we can expect snow for the northern regions of the Western Cape as well as the southern regions of the Northern Cape. Otherwise, it's going to be fun and dry for much of South Africa. Now we're expecting a summer winter day over much of KwaZulu-Natal, where temperatures will peak in the lower 30s near Durban, 34 for Richards Bay. It's going to be a hot afternoon for Mbombela with a high of 29, 26 near Pretoria, and we're expecting a teeth-chattering cold day near Sutherland with a high of 6. Then along the west coast, we're expecting poor beach weather, and that's due to those widespread showers being forecast over those regions. Swell heights will reach up to 4 meters with waves between 6 and 7 feet. Then for the southwest regions of the country, we're expecting very strong winds between 50 and 65 kilometers per hour, which will contribute to those poor beach conditions, and you can expect waves to break between 9 and 10 feet near the coast. Then for the southern regions of the country, we're expecting rain later into Port Elizabeth and Jeffreys Bay. Otherwise, the strong winds will contribute to those poor beach weather, and we can expect swell heights to reach up to 4 meters with waves between 6 and 7 feet. Then for the eastern parts of the country, a whole different story, because we're expecting good beach weather all the way from Richards Bay to East London, and you can expect low swell heights of up to 1.5 meters. Well, that's all for now from the Weather Center. Have a good one.
Know more about your world.
eNCA.com